In this video, we will see how washing hands with soap helps in preventing coronavirus infection. First, we will discuss the mechanism of action of soap. You must have noticed that oil is not removed if we wash our hands simply with water. To get rid of oil, we have to use soap. To understand the role of soap, let us perform an experiment. Take an equal amount of water in two transparent bottles. Pour an equal amount of oil in both the bottles. Oil floats over water because oil and water do not mix, and water is denser than oil. Add soap solution to one of the bottles. We have added liquid hand wash. Tighten the cap and shake both the bottles vigorously. Oil and water do mix briefly but soon separate. Whereas in the bottle with soap, oil and water mix with each other. After a few minutes, we have seen that water and oil do not mix with each other. But when we add soap and shake vigorously, the oil and water are mixed well. To understand the role of soap, let's take a look at the molecular level. The molecules of water are polar and that of oil are non-polar in nature. Without going into the details of polar and non-polar, for now, let us assume them to be molecules opposite in nature. Polar molecules can bind with polar molecules but not with non-polar. Likewise, non-polar molecules can bind with non-polar but not with polar. Hence, water and oil do not mix. However, soap has a dual nature. The molecules of soap are a bit long and have polar as well as non-polar ends. The polar end of soap binds to water and the non-polar end to oil. This is how soap makes water and oil mix with each other. Now about coronavirus. The outer protective cover of coronavirus is also made up of oil-like substance called lipids. Here also, while washing hands with soap, soap molecules bind to the outer protective cover of the coronavirus and destruct it. Thus, the virus is inactivated and washed away. Hence, it is recommended to rub hands with soap and water for about 20 seconds. Rubbing is like shaking the bottle in our experiment. This helps soap reach maximum viruses. Now the final question remains, how coronavirus can get on our hands? When a corona patient sneezes or coughs, numerous minute droplets are sprayed from his mouth and nose. Each droplet contains numerous viruses. These droplets spread about 2 meters in the surrounding air and can enter a person through nose, mouth, eyes and infect him. In due course of time, the droplets settle on various surfaces in the vicinity like table, door handle, clothes, pen, phone, computer, utensils, etc. The virus can remain intact there for hours. If a person touches such contaminated surfaces, his hands also get contaminated. If he touches contaminated hands to his nose, mouth or eyes, he can get infected with corona. The take-home point here is that the nose, the mouth and the eyes are the only entry points for coronavirus. Keep them protected and you will be safe.
For more such videos, subscribe YouTube channel Science with Suresh Agarwal.